just sitting at my desk after more than a year of research. Bill Ackman was being interviewed about something completely different.
I'm confident they're going to do the right thing.
Real quick, you teased in the Value Investing Conference yesterday that you had a short position.
Yes.
A secret short position.
Yes.
Would you like to share your secret with us?
Not yet.
I'm sure he knew once you put this idea out there, everyone would want to know, what is this short?
I can't say.
We got to go to a commercial.
I'm happy to talk about it when we're ready to talk about it. But it's,
Bill Ackman.
It's actually it's a good for America short. What I mean by that is, as soon as the company goes out of business, the country will be better off.
Short selling. Imagine for a moment that a friend of yours collects rare coins, and you have the view that those coins are going to go down in value. So the way you would short those coins is you call up your friend and say, can I borrow a few of your coins? And he says, sure. And you borrow the coins. You then sell them for the $1,000 each that they sell for in the market at the time. And then you wait for them to drop in value. And you turned out to be right, and the coins dropped in value to $500. You go back into the market, you buy them back for $500. You've sold them for $1,000. You've repurchased them for $500. You've made $500 on each coin. And then you return the coins to your friend. Your friend is in the same place he was when he started, and he has the same coins that he started with. You might have to actually pay him something for borrowing the coins because he loaned them to you. You might pay him an interest rate. So he's happy because he's made an interest rate. It's made interest lending you the coins. You've made money profiting from the decline in the value of the coins, and that's short selling. That's when it works.
But if you sell it at a high price and it goes higher, and it can go infinitely higher because the stock can go infinitely higher, then you're on the hook for that. So this is why it takes big cojones to short stocks, especially something as public and as big as Herbalife.
At the end of 2012, Ackman took to the stage for the first time to reveal his secret, good for America short.
I just want to point out a few things. We are short the stock of Herbalife. Herbalife stock goes down, we make money. Herbalife stock goes up, we lose money.
The December 2012 300-page presentation is incredibly detailed. It's overwhelming.
1% get 88% of the rewards.
When he advocates for an idea, he could sell ice to the Eskimos.
Recruiting rewards are substantially greater than the retail profit that they generate. If you're a chairman's club,
You can lose a lot of money being short. So in order to be short a pyramid scheme like Herbalife and not get killed, you have to be prepared to share your thinking publicly.
well, let's put it this way. This is the best managed pyramid scheme in the history of the world. Mr. Johnson should get a lot of credit for that.
There's Herbalife stock down 14.6%. The news, Bill Ackman.
The reaction was stunning. I mean, it felt like, wow, people are getting out. They've seen something that scares them.
These guys are listening to a report that was generated by a research firm in New York, and we've sent her a legal letter. This is a ridiculous assertions by people who are trying to manipulate our stock.
What would you say to those who say that you are trying to manipulate the success of the company and therefore the stock price?
We simply want the truth to come out.
The moral argument that he's making is closely aligned with his financial interests, and that's why he can seem like he's holier than thou.
If you succeed, you're going to be donating the money, by the way, to charity. You called it blood money.
Yes.
Because
Everyone says, well, you can't believe what he says because he's short the stock and he's going to profit from it, so you can't trust him. So by taking the economic part out of my investment, i.e. giving the money away, it's harder for them to make that argument.
You know, I am a moral person, but we are, again, managing capital for others, and it's actually in the best interests of our investors for us to bet against a company that's causing harm.